For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Betway Premiership Match Day 24 for Kaizer Chiefs. At the old Peter Mokaba Stadium and Polokwane City. Kaizer Chiefs collecting 4 points from Polokwane City this season. Remember, in the first round at the FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs won by 1-0. Namhlanje badlaleke ngo 0-0. Kaizer Chiefs iphela ke la winning streak. 5 games. Remember, they won their previous 5 games. They were looking to make it 6 out of 6. Polokwane City ahead of the big one next weekend, Sunday. Soweto Derby. But namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs they drew 0-0. Mhlobam, uchinjeleni mhlobam? Why did you change your T-shirt? No, there's nothing wrong with it. But why did you change your T-shirt, mhlobam? I mean, you are going to the final of the biggest club competition in Africa. You deserve to wear it, mhlobam.
Mara ayenzi sense shini.
Yini ngenza sense?
Ngifuna ukwenza igame ePolokwane la neKaizer Chiefs shini.
Mhlobam, how are you?
Shane ngiright mngani nami. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi now right mngani nami njengoba uhlezi kulokho.
Are you feeling good though? Because khange sithethe like game ye previous game. Are you feeling good?
Mina ngiright mngani wami.
No, like I know you are right mhlobam. Akukho right uzangixelela. I know maybe mhlambi and
the fact ukuthi i-team yase South Africa idlala ama-final we-CAF Champions League.
Are you feeling good mhlobam?
Yeah, as long as i-team yala eMzansi iyodlala ama-finals. Ukuthi okunye kwenzakalani
yeke le mhlobam. Suya nokuya kule. Yeke le mhlobam, but ke into endifuna uyazi ukuthi you feeling good, you're playing your second consecutive CAF final.
Yeah.
Your fourth since you started supporting Sundowns because 2001, 2016, 2025, 2026. I mean, it's a great achievement. But ke masingene mhlobam kule game eKaizer Chiefs against iPolokwane City. Ubone njani mhlobam namhlanje?
Yeah, Shane, a lovely throw my brother man. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iPolokwane City they deserve a win le game today Shane. Uma ungabheka. Kula ma game esele kule season, my game seyophela sinokusho ukuthi ama team anokuthi afayithele top 8 relegation bafuna league. So uma ungabheka the way iPolokwane bedlala ngakhona beba aggressive, ungabheka beba aggressive kakhulu ku Kaizer Chiefs, bebabonakala ba hungry for the game. Uma ungabheka maningi ama jewels abawinayo laba badlali bePolokwane City and beba win iball quick ku Kaizer Chiefs. So ubheke the way uCoach Phuti aqhamuke ngakhona Shane, uyabona ukuthi unabo badlali offensive abangamnikeza something. Even uChikweta the striker ngingazange ngimbone abanikeza but ukuthi mhlawumbe uhlala nale center back so kwazi abo Ramabu kulama winger nabo Dlamini bakwazi ukuthi baze bazomjoina bathole le creativity. So ngibonile ukuthi iyo i-team engicabanga ukuthi bekumele ngabe uma bathu yawina le game iwinile because yiba abantu engibona ba-attempte kakhulu bebagudi kakhulu abo Dlamini. Unfortunately i-end product yabo bengekho yihle shini. Uma ungabheka uma bafika ku final third bebangakhona ukwenza lokho right but ukubreaker ama line sometimes bakhona ukubreaker wide, bakwazi ukubreaker ngama long ball and bona they understand their pitch uma ungabheka abadlali bePolokwane because bazi ukuthi uma Thuludu mathatha le ball aka right alimikisa kuDlamini uyazi ukuthi lizomthola, uyakwazi ukucalculate le pass. Uma ungabheka uNkwe uma crossa le la bola alimikisa kuRamabu liyakwazi ukufika kuRamabu but when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs it's difficult. Badlala uma ufuna ukudlala ilong ball labo Msimango liphumela ngaphandle, if cross ufuna ukudlala le ball for ilong ball liphumela ngaphandle. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nali ya pitch yabanceda bePolokwane City ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi yini into ekumele ukuthi bayenze because uma ungabheka the way badlala ngakhona beka uma phangule in the middle of the park bano King Kambala. I think they did very well Shane. Midfield yabo ungahleki uma ngikhuluma ngoKambala Shane.
I mean mhlobam his name is Mr. Ngeu. Do you know that man called Utwango Kambala? Do you know what his name?
The Lord is my shepherd.
That guy's name is Manuel. Why is it King?
Uma umeshini uKambala.
His name is Manuel.
Uma umeshini igama la kaKambala. Umeshini igama la kaMukuku. umeshini igama laka ubani le striker sePyramids kulimala abantu akulimala abantu mngani wami so uma ungabheka Shane the way iPolokwane City beyidlala ngakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuma department wabo wonke Shane badlale kahle kakhulu bheka uNkwe akekho namhlanje baletha uRamaja I center back most of the time kunokuba uNkwe anonikani but nangu Ramaja uyeza udlala kahle kuleya pairing central mid defense uthi ubheka uMathuludi I think wenze kahle mina for me man of the match uMathuludi bengamnikeza Shane abo umdlalo ofana noNkambala ngiyacabanga beka icontroller leya midfield ubheka uNkwe bekenza kahle and what I like ngePolokwane City when they attack uma ngabe ka left bafuna ukusebenzisa uDlamini uNkwe uyazi ukuthi mina kumele ngisale ngiya remain akhuphuka uMathuludi ngapha if uMathuludi uyakhuphuka ngapha bathu bani ntwana bedlala iwinga ngapha ka right Mutuza something like that so umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi naye beka off because bekangakwazi bekamvulela yeso uMathuludi ukuthi akwazi ukusebenzisa le line but yena bekangekho more ku attack yePolokwane City Shane.
You think because we can touch up something about iPolokwane City choosing to play kwelibala badlale kulo do you think mhlawumbe nabo bakhe bahlala phansi and not analyze per se but look at if venues iKaizer Chiefs bidlala kuzo in their 5 previous games not counting lamdlalo where Richards Bay where they lost 2-1 they played at FNB Soweto Derby they played at FNB there were a couple of games they played FNB previously against TS Galaxy they played at against Makis. They played at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium.
Yes.
Remember the first game they played at Moses Mabhida Stadium. World Cup stadiums. Mhlawumbe do you think I might decide to look okay? Bawathanda lamabala ngathi makhulu bigger crowd let's just take them to esi stadium siyazi ukuthi we always give as big teams trouble maziyadlala pha.
I think leyo advantage nayo chain bangaba bahleli phansi bayibheka lento leyo ukuthi okay sayifuna inamba estadium ukuthi mhlawumbe sikwazi ukuthengisa amatikiti but now i3 points ebalekile because mawungabheka the way Chiefs be strugglisha ngakhona ukudlala lamabhola wide ibhola belishesha liphume Shane so kusho kona ukuthi nayo le advantage kuma team afana naboPolokwane City I think bahleli phansi bayibheka lento ukuthi okay kubalekile manje ukuthi sithole lama 3 points or sithole le 1 point uma ngabe kuyakhonakala so for me ibasebenzele Shane ibasebenzele that is why ngithi iPolokwane City Shane ibonakale ingenhla uma ungabheka le midfield yeKaizer Chiefs abo ucele beyangabonakali Shane beyangabonakali because le midfield yePolokwane City iyenze kahle kakhulu Shane iyenze kahle kakhulu so abazange babe nenhlanhla bePolokwane City I think beba deserve ukuwina le game but coming to Kaizer Chiefs Shane ngiyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe njengoba ngisho ngithi le yankundla nale ya pairing yabo kule midfield the understanding ngathi ayibi khona because mawungabheka njengoba ngisho ukuthi uLilepo uthanda ukudlala wide ukuthi bamdlalise wide first half before benza ama sub bebanayo number 10 which is uMdu bazama ukuthi banabo Lilepo no Duba bazama ukuthi mhlambe bathi bafuna ukuhlanganisa le combination but bekungahlangani because bona nabo cele kule midfield Shane bekungayenzeki that is why noma bazama ukudlala ilong ball ibhola labo belishesha life ngalama ruthwana so bagcina bafaka umdlalo ofana noMiguel I think kunento ayenzile uMiguel man engifuna ukumnikeza icredit kuyo ngibona wina amanye amabhola akwazi ukubreak ama window la kuba cele no Mabuye I think ilento le sometimes uyayidinga because uma ufuna ukudlala wide ground lincane asbreak la phakathi uyenze kahle le I think mistake one ayenzile la khona Mr Bola bafuna ukubapanisha but kunenye itake la yenzile futhi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMiguel umafika akazange abe nama mistake amaningi just that uma we defender mistake oyenzayo sometimes cost the team Shane so angazi Shane yabona mina uCross if bangathi uya kuKaizer Chiefs yonika man of the match bengamnikeza yes aboMathuludi bebayenza lawo ma crosses bebafika but uma ungambheka beka recover bekayenza lo yamdlali so sizawuthini Shane but the mongibona uma buya thola ama man of the match ngiyacabanga kuzoba iplayer elizoba khona mhlawumbe uma kubuya la kungena la uma award kuKaizer Chiefs the only player because ama man of the match azomnceda uzoba khona mhlawumbe lapha kuboma midfield of the season because azombooster but for later today angazi mhlawumbe bengingambonanga kahle angibona ideserve le man of the match. I think uMathuludi uyumdlali bengibona ngathi bekayideserve Shane.
Bobuseni masivale mhlobam, masivale. We need to go home. But namhlanje at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium, it's Polokwane City 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Ikhona ufuna ukugweza mhlobam?
No, ungayivala Shane, but lento bengifuna ukuyivala ngayo. Kulawa ama-sub Kaizer Chiefs. Angithi uma benza kahle siyabatshela.
Yeah.
So kuleya midfield ye-Chiefs uma baletha lawa ama-sub. Abazange basaba nayo number 10. Bheka uSirino ukuthi beka dropa kanjani. And uma drop uSirino or aya wide, akasekho umdlali. Sekukosa ukuthi uMayo abuye azodlala i-false 9. And uMayo madlala as a false 9. Sekuyoba nzima for bona ukuthi bafike kuphi eboxini. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuphuma kwakamdu kuloya number 10 bese kungasekho because uBartman bese kadlala wide ba change uLilepa abuya ngapha la khona besidinga uSirino ukuthi adlale next to the box, but bese kunzima for bona. That is why ngithi nayo le yenze ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingasabonakali going forward, kube nzima for bona ukuthi bafike kuloya goalkeeper. But singayivala Shane, Orlando Pirates ku number 1 ivula gap nga 2 points Shane.
Mamelodi Sundowns are through to the final of the CAF Champions League. Asas bazabedlala ne-Asfar okanye bazabedlala what the name of that team nganen? Eperkan. Remember
yeah,
they won
yeah.
the CAF Confederations Cup
Yeah.
a couple of years ago. Yeah. Hlutele inhliziyo. But namhlanje iSipolokwane City 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Iteski TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.